The United States of America, USA, is a country located in North America, bordered by Canada to the north and Mexico to the south. It is made up of 50 states, a federal district, Washington, D.C., and several territories. The capital city is Washington, D.C., while the largest city by population is New York City. The United States has a diverse population with people from various ethnic backgrounds and cultures. English is the most widely spoken language, although there are also significant populations of Spanish speakers and speakers of other languages. The United States has a strong economy and is one of the world's leading economic powers. It has a market-oriented economy with a mix of private and public sectors. Major industries include technology, finance, manufacturing, healthcare, entertainment, and agriculture. The political system of the United States is a federal republic with a democratic government. The country is known for its constitution, which establishes a system of checks and balances among the three branches of government: the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. The United States Air Force, USAF, is widely regarded as one of the most powerful and technologically advanced air forces in the world. Size and budget: the USAF is the largest and most well-funded air force globally. It has a significant number of aircraft, personnel, and resources dedicated to air and space operations. Its budget allows for the procurement of advanced aircraft, cutting-edge technology, and extensive training programs. Technological advancements: the USAF places a strong emphasis on technological superiority and continuously invests in research, development, and acquisition of advanced aircraft, weapons systems, and capabilities. It leverages innovations in areas such as stealth technology, precision-guided munitions, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and space-based systems. Combat experience: the USAF has extensive combat experience gained from various conflicts and operations, including World War II, the Korean War, the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, and more recent conflicts in Iraq and Afghanistan. This experience has shaped its tactics, strategies, and operational effectiveness. Air superiority: the USAF's primary focus is to establish and maintain air superiority, which involves gaining control of the skies and denying adversaries the ability to operate freely. Its fleet of advanced fighter aircraft, such as the F-15, F-16, and F-22, are designed to dominate aerial engagements and ensure air superiority. Global reach and power projection: the USAF has a robust global presence, with air bases and facilities located around the world. This allows for rapid deployment of forces and the ability to project power globally. Its fleet of strategic bombers, including the B-1B and B-2, provides the capability to strike targets worldwide. Airlift and logistics: the USAF operates a vast fleet of cargo and transport aircraft, such as the C-17 and C-130, enabling the rapid and efficient movement of personnel, equipment, and supplies. This airlift capability supports global operations, humanitarian missions, and disaster relief efforts. Integrated operations: the USAF works closely with other branches of the U.S. military, including the Army, Navy, and Marine Corps, as well as international allies, to conduct joint operations. Integrated operations leverage the strengths of different branches and enable the USAF to effectively support ground, maritime, and special operations. The United States has the most powerful military in the world, with advanced and technologically sophisticated weaponry, a global reach, and a strong operational capability. The U.S. military maintains a network of military bases around the world, allowing for power projection and rapid response to global threats. It has a robust defense budget that enables it to invest in research, development, and acquisition of advanced military technology, modernization and upgrades. The Air Force may focus on modernizing its existing fleet of aircraft and systems to maintain its technological edge. This could include the acquisition of advanced fighter aircraft, surveillance and reconnaissance platforms, unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, and space-based assets. Increased personnel and expansion could involve an increase in the number of active duty personnel, reserve components, or support staff. This allows for more operational capabilities. Improved readiness: and increased capacity to carry out missions. Infrastructure development. Expanding the Air Force may involve the establishment of new air bases, facilities, and infrastructure to support operational requirements. This could include the construction of additional runways, maintenance facilities, command and control centers, and training facilities, enhancing cybersecurity capabilities. As the importance of cyberspace in modern warfare grows, expanding the Air Force's cybersecurity capabilities could be a priority. The United States Air Force, USAF, operates several advanced fighter jets that are integral to its aerial warfare capabilities. The F-15 is a twin-engine, all-weather tactical fighter designed for air superiority missions. It is known for its speed, maneuverability, and powerful air-to-air capabilities. The F-15 has been in service since the 1970s and has undergone various upgrades to maintain its effectiveness. The F-16 is a multi-role fighter that has been a mainstay of the USAF since the 1970s. It is a versatile and highly maneuverable aircraft used for air-to-air combat, air-to-ground missions, and reconnaissance. The F-16 has undergone numerous modifications and is still in production for both U.S. and international customers. The F-22 is a fifth-generation stealth air superiority fighter. It is one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, incorporating stealth technology, advanced avionics, and supercruise capability. The F-22 provides unmatched air dominance and is designed to counter emerging threats in highly contested environments. The F-35 is a fifth-generation stealth multi-role fighter that serves the USAF, U.S. Navy, and U.S. Marine Corps. It is a versatile platform designed for air-to-air combat, air-to-ground strikes, and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. The F-35 features advanced sensor fusion, stealth capabilities, and networked communications to enhance situational awareness and interoperability. These fighter jets represent a combination of air superiority fighters, multi-role fighters, and stealth platforms that provide the USAF with a range of capabilities to achieve air dominance, conduct precision strikes, and gather critical intelligence. They incorporate advanced technologies, high-performance engines, and sophisticated weapon systems to excel in modern combat environments. This would involve investing in personnel, technology, and resources to protect critical systems from cyber threats and conduct offensive cyber operations if necessary. The United States Air Force, USAF, operates several types of heavy bombers. These bombers are long-range aircraft designed to carry large payloads of bombs or missiles over significant distances. The B-52 is a legendary strategic bomber that has been in service with the USAF since the 1950s. It is a long-range, subsonic bomber capable of carrying nuclear and conventional weapons. The B-52 has undergone multiple upgrades over the years to enhance its capabilities, including improved avionics, communication systems, and weapons integration. The B-1B is a supersonic variable sweep wing bomber. It was designed to replace the aging B-52 fleet and is capable of carrying both conventional and nuclear weapons. The B-1B has a long-range capability, high speed, and advanced electronic warfare systems. It has been extensively used in various conflicts and can perform a range of missions, including strategic bombing, close air support, and reconnaissance. The B-2 Spirit, also known as the stealth bomber, is a highly advanced long-range, low-observable strategic bomber. It is capable of delivering both conventional and nuclear weapons with precision. The B-2's stealth characteristics make it difficult to detect and track by enemy radar systems. It has advanced avionics, a sophisticated integrated weapons system, and a global strike capability. These heavy bombers provide the USAF with a strategic capability to project power, deter potential adversaries, and conduct long-range precision strikes. They are versatile platforms capable of carrying a variety of munitions, including cruise missiles, guided bombs, and standoff weapons. It's worth noting that the USAF continually evaluates and invests in future fighter programs to maintain its technological edge and adapt to evolving threats. Ongoing efforts include the development of sixth-generation fighter concepts and the exploration of advanced technologies, such as directed energy weapons and autonomous systems. The United States Air Force, USAF, holds a dominant position in the global military landscape for several reasons. While it is difficult for any single nation to directly compete with the overall capabilities of the USAF, while it is challenging for any single nation to directly compete with the USAF, other countries continue to invest in their own air forces and seek to develop advanced capabilities. The United States Navy is the maritime branch of the United States Armed Forces and is responsible for naval operations, power projection, and maritime security. Here are some key points about the U.S. Navy. The U.S. Navy's primary mission is to maintain, train, and equip combat-ready naval forces capable of winning wars, deterring aggression, and maintaining freedom of the seas. It operates globally to protect U.S. interests, project power, and provide humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. The U.S. Navy is the largest and most powerful navy in the world. It operates a diverse fleet of ships, submarines, and aircraft, including aircraft carriers, cruisers, destroyers, submarines, amphibious assault ships, and support vessels. The Navy's capabilities span air, surface, and subsurface domains, allowing for a broad range of missions and operations. The U.S. Navy operates a fleet of aircraft carriers that serve as mobile bases for carrier strike groups. These massive ships can carry and launch a variety of aircraft, including fighter jets, reconnaissance aircraft, and helicopters. Aircraft carriers provide power projection, air superiority, and maritime security capabilities. The U.S. Navy operates both ballistic missile submarines, SSBNs, and attack submarines, SSNs. SSBNs carry nuclear ballistic missiles and serve as a key component of the U.S. nuclear deterrence strategy. SSNs are multipurpose submarines that perform missions such as anti-submarine warfare, surveillance, and intelligence gathering. The U.S. Navy's surface fleet consists of guided missile cruisers, destroyers, and frigates. These ships are equipped with advanced radar systems, missile defense capabilities, and anti-air, anti-surface, and anti-submarine weapons. They provide protection to carrier strike groups, conduct independent operations, and contribute to maritime security. The U.S. Navy, in conjunction with the Marine Corps, conducts expeditionary and amphibious operations. Amphibious assault ships, such as the USS Wasp and USS America, enable the transportation and deployment of Marines, helicopters, and other equipment for amphibious assaults and humanitarian missions. The U.S. Navy operates a robust fleet of carrier-based aircraft, including fighter jets, electronic warfare aircraft, surveillance aircraft, and helicopters. Naval aviation plays a critical role in maritime superiority, strike operations, surveillance, and reconnaissance. The U.S. Navy maintains a global presence, with ships deployed to various regions around the world. This presence ensures the protection of U.S. interests, promotes stability, and supports allies and partners through engagements, exercises, and humanitarian operation. The United States Army is the land warfare branch of the United States Armed Forces. It is responsible for conducting ground operations and is the largest branch of the U.S. military. Here are some key points about the U.S. Army and its battle tanks. The U.S. Army's mission is to fight and win the nation's wars through land operations. It provides prompt, sustained land dominance across a wide range of military operations, from combat to stability in support operations. The U.S. Army is composed of active duty soldiers, reserve components, and the Army National Guard. It consists of various combat arms, combat support, and combat service support units that operate together to accomplish the Army's mission. The U.S. Army relies on a diverse fleet of ground combat vehicles, including main battle tanks, infantry fighting vehicles, armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, and other specialized vehicles. These vehicles provide mobility, firepower, and protection to soldiers during ground operations. The U.S. Army operates the M1 Abrams as its primary battle tank. The M1 Abrams is a heavily armored and highly mobile tank equipped with advanced technologies and a powerful 120mm smoothbore cannon. It is designed for offensive and defensive operations, providing firepower and protection to ground forces. The M1 Abrams is a third-generation main battle tank that has been in service since the early 1980s. It has undergone several upgrades over the years to maintain its effectiveness and keep pace with evolving threats. The tank has a crew of 4 and features advanced armor, night vision capabilities, and improved fire control systems. The U.S. Army organizes its tank units into armored brigade combat teams. These teams consist of tanks, infantry, artillery, engineers, and other supporting elements. ABCTs are designed to conduct Combined A. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.